Hey everyone and welcome to Saw Auto and Unboxing YouTube channel. Today I will unbox for you this timing belt kit with water pump from DAYCO. The DAYCO KTBWP9670 timing belt kit is made for the 2.0 HDI engine from PSA, that has 163 horsepower, and equipped cars like Peugeot 407, 508, 308, Citroën C4, C5, DS4, DS5, and some Ford and Jaguar models. In the box you will find the deflection and tensioner pulley, both made by INA, the water pump made by DAYCO, and the timing belt made by DAYCO in Italy, although on the kit box, you may see that it's written made in Germany, probably the kit was bagged there. At the bottom of the box, you will find the gasket for the water pump, the instructions manual, 1 year extra warranty and a sticker where you can write the date in kilometers when the replacement of the timing belt took place. I recommend that you do the replacement of the timing belt kit at an authorized repair shop, so you can benefit from the warranty. Before I bought this DAYCO timing belt kit, I wanted to buy one from Contatec or Gates, but the prices were almost 50% higher for a complete kit with water pump like this one, and from what I read on the Peugeot forums, the timing belt kits from DAYCO are quite reliable. If you wonder how much I paid for the kit, I got it on a pretty good discount, at €80, and at this price I consider it a bargain. I made the unboxing video because I couldn't find much videos with DAYCO products on YouTube, and maybe some of you wanted to take a closer look at one before you order it. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing video. If you want to see more videos like this, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and have a great day.